Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video I'm going to show you this makeup look using a new palette that I received from Colourpop. But before I go in with any eyeshadow, I'm first of course going to prime my eyelids, and I'm using the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. After applying the primer, I used a little bit of powder. You can use any powder that you have at home which you personally like. And I'm going to use this to set my whole eyelid to make sure that the primer is not going to move. Now this is the palette from Colourpop. It's actually called the Sorbet Pressed Powder Palette. It's one of their newest palettes. But I will make sure to link all the products I used in the description bar in case you want to know the exact products and of course the names of the products. So I'm going to start with the shade and blend this all the way in my crease using a Sigma E40 brush. So I'm blending this brush, kind of like going from the inner corner to the outer corner of my brush. And also I wanted to mention I'm gonna film a video kind of more focused on beginners. I know I asked about if you guys would be interested a real long time ago, but this is coming real soon. So hopefully I can learn some basic tips and tricks on the blending process. So now I'm going to use my finger to use this shimmery color, such a gorgeous shade. Beautiful pigmentation. So I'm just going to use this shade all over the eyelid, and you can just use your finger with this. You don't need any brush for this particular step. So just making sure that my whole eyelid is covered in this beautiful shade. Then I decided to also go in with this darker shade, which is also a matte color, and I blended a little bit of that in the outer portion of the eyelid. Now if you want to keep it as simple as possible, you can of course skip this step, but I felt like for me it was a little bit too basic. I just have a really hard time making really basic eye looks for some reason. I always keep adding more and more product, but if you want to keep it more simple, you can definitely skip that step. So now I used a Sigma flat definer brush, and I decided to also apply a little line above the lash line. Since this shape of the brush is kind of like flat and long, this is really easy to use to create that line above the lash line. But of course you can also use a eyeliner brush. And I used that same eyeshadow shade that I used for the outer V area. So just kind of tapping and sweeping my brush from left to right to make sure that the eyeshadow is kind of like pressed on and also blended at the same time. And then I used a clean brush with a little bit of concealer on it and use that underneath the outer portion of the eyelid to make sure that the kind of like the fallout of all the eyeshadow was removed and it looks really clean. Then again, using that same shade, that dark one, and the flat definer brush from Sigma Beauty, and using that shade underneath the lower lash line as well. Now since I used that color in the outer V as well, it's really nice to now kind of like apply it underneath the lower lash line and then blend it into the shade in the outer V, so everything kind of like blends seamlessly together. And then to blend out the lower lash line, I went in with that first color that I used in my crease area and used a tiny blending brush and just kind of sweeping my brush back and forth until I'm satisfied with how everything looks blended out. Now it's time to curl the lashes. I'm not gonna apply any eyeliner or anything like that. I wanted to keep this eye look as simple and soft as possible. And then I went in with this pencil from Colourpop. Actually, I really like the Colourpop pencils. I have almost all their colors. They're really pigmented and they're also really affordable. So if you're searching for some really cool colors, definitely check out their collection. So now I'm going to go in with this mascara from Gucci. Such a nice mascara. I have been using it in my previous video as well. I just really like it. Makes my lower lashes super long. I'm going to apply fake lashes, so I'm not really focused on my upper lashes because the fake lashes are gonna cover them up. But for my lower lashes, I always try to make them really long so they kind of match with my fake lashes and my eyes will look really wide open. So we're gonna use these new lashes from Norvina not really in collaboration, but you know, Norvina is the CEO of Anastasia, and she has her own kind of like cosmetic line, which is kind of like, I don't know how you say it, if it's in collaboration with Anastasia or it's a part of Anastasia, Beverly Hills makeup brand. That I think I should say it like that. But here you can see the before and after using the So Hollywood lash style. And yeah, I really like how this makeup look turned out. It was not that complicated, but of course you can skip the lashes if you think it's gonna take too long or if you just don't want to wear them. And yeah, I just hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!